Okay, let's check the teaching plan first. So we are already in the week 5 here. So I hope you can see our teaching plan. Yeah, what I shared here. So based on the week 5 hatchback design, the topic we will talking about the hatchback design, project development, types of the hatchback system, design and selection. Yeah. Okay, let's go to our slide. Yeah. Okay, actually we have several type that available in the market. Um, okay, our design based on the requirement uh, that in certain building. So let's say we only need in the small room, so we can choose the small icon. So for example, in the residence requirement in our house, so maybe we need only small type of the icon system, yeah. So that's why we select based on the classification or hatchback type, yeah. Okay, today the purpose is of classification air conditioning system is to differentiate one type from another and to provide a background for selecting the optimum air conditioning system based on the building requirements. A classification of air conditioning system should include the classification of air and refrigeration system in order to define a more specific system. So you can see if we have the building uh, for residency, yeah, you can see the size is varied. Maybe we can provide with the central or package hatchback unit, and then maybe we only serve by split unit, yeah. So depend the requirement of building. Okay, not only in the residency, in the big industry also need the hatchback system for cooling system in the engine system, yeah, or treatment like the oil and gas, yeah. So actually they also provide the hatchback system in their industry, yeah. Okay, let's say if we only in the residency, so maybe we can propose package hatchback units. Yeah, you can see like the in the maybe the overseas residency. They also provide two types of the hatchback system for winter and also for summer. Yeah, so they will serve two season differentiate. Yeah. So air conditioning system can be classified into three categories corresponding to their related equipment as follows: individual system, unitary package system, and then the central or hydronic system. Yeah. Okay, we can look into every uh, type in detail. So we go first in the individual system, yeah. So you can see maybe individual system is more familiar with us because we commonly use in the our house in the each residency. So we will be used in the like the split, yeah, aircon. So even though in the split account, they also provide in the split like the two uh, indoor system unit, but only one type, one compressor unit we will serve. Yeah? So mean that we will serve in the similar condition. Yeah. Okay, use a self-contained container factory-made air conditioner to serve one or two rooms. Yeah? For example, room, window air conditioner, and split type units. It uses vapor compression cycle directly to cool the indoor air for small load. Okay, maybe you already learned in the basic of the refrigerant system, they will provide at least uh, 4 component in the one uh, conventional refrigerant. So you can see uh, uh, maybe from the pump or compressor, and then will we go to the outside to release or reject uh, the the heat, and then come again into the uh, indoor system by providing the valve, yeah, and then by reducing the pressure, the temperature automatically will be reduced, and then they will serve by coil to indoor, yeah, system. Okay, so they will put in the summer condition, yeah. Actually, this example, indoor and outdoor condition will be put in the hot part will be outdoor uh, condition, yeah. So actually, this one is only for the summer condition. But if we change to season, winter season, so maybe we will utilize in the hot air condition, yeah. Okay, in an individual air conditioning system normally employs either a single self-contained package room air conditioner installed in a window or through a wall, or separate indoor and outdoor unit to serve an individual room. So self-contained package mean factory assembled in one package and ready for use. Yeah? Okay, actually we separate, yeah, outdoor and indoor to serve uh, one cycle condition in the conventional aircon, yeah. So individual system, room conditioners, package terminal air conditioner system, and then space conditioner system such as two pipe or four pipe fan coil system. So actually in the split condition, we can separate by divide by several type also. So if we serve with uh, more than 2 room, but will we serve one uh, compressor, so that one is possible to use in the residency building, yeah. Okay, if we use 2 pipe or 4 pipe fan coil system, so mean that one is will be served in the biggest building, yeah, requirement. And 2 pipe or 4 pipe fan coil system mean they will use we will serve, yeah, a pipe for the coil mean will separate, yeah, the coil uh, one compressor they will split, yeah, to coil. So mean the other coil will be go to the other room, and then another one will be to serve to another room. So these 2 pipe or 4 pipe fan coil system often with separate outdoor ventilation, air and heat recovery. Standard size is 2, 3, 4, 6 until 212. Yeah? In the flow rate is within 200 until to 1000 CFM. That one is split condition. Yeah? So we will serve until this flow rate. So when you try to select classification of HVAC, so make sure you serve is enough. Yeah. In the previous class, we already discussed about how to serve the human comfort. Then, if you know the human comfort can satisfy, so you can select the uh, type HVAC system. Okay, water source heat pump. That one is a other type, yeah, refrigerant. So actually, refrigerant also need to the rejected heat. So some they will use the air force, yeah, through the coil, but some will do the biggest type of the hatchback. Maybe they will use the other absorber to rejected the refrigerant heat. Yeah. There are four major type of room air conditioner to choose from. This include portable air conditioner, window air conditioner, duct mini split air conditioner, package terminal air conditioner. Okay, this one is for small type, yeah, small type in the individual system. Yeah, so you can select which one. So maybe portable is maybe one optional if you want to attach permanently individual system, so you can choose the portable air conditioner. Maybe you can serve other room if yeah we concentrate uh, utilizing yeah of the room only one part yeah or one room only, so maybe we can consider by portable air conditioner. So maybe we not use much room to in one time, so maybe we can select the portable air conditioner. Another one is window air conditioner. In the window air conditioner, actually this one is old type aircon uh, system. That one is by using maybe we try to the hole make the hole to attach the HVAC system icon system. So that one we will put in the hole of the wall, yeah, uh, to attach the aircon system. Ductless mini split air conditioner. We don't use the duct system. Mean that we use a split air conditioner. Just air distribution is directly from the coil and blower to the from the coil to the room. Yeah, so no more use in the duct. And the package terminal air conditioner, this type is the biggest compared to other individual system. This one is maybe we need the terminal air conditioner. If you realize, yeah, when you come to the computer lab, yeah, they will attach one system, ecosystem. Yeah, they individually, but they attach on the ceiling. Yeah, and then you can realize that one is a package terminal air conditioner. They will put the other part compressor is outside of the room. Yeah. Okay, let's check. Yeah, what the individual so, actually I don't want to share the video, then we will take time. So this one is portable. You can see they still need the exhaust to outside the door. They use the uh, like pipe exhaust only, and then a short, short exhaust, and then they will rejected the heat to outside. Yeah. So you can see maybe this one is so familiar with you. And then we go to the window. Okay, what I said, mentioned before, the windows is need to hold the wall, yeah, to attach the aircon system. Then one is a all type aircon system. I think this one is not available anymore in the market. So I think already changed to split one, yeah, split type of the ecosystem. Okay, don't follow this figure, yeah, by hang and then put the handle wood. Yeah, this one is not proper design. Okay, what the content inside of the Windows type, yeah, account, just so you can see one motor to serve two blowers, both for the cooling one and then for rejected coil. So you can see they use only one blower, sorry, one motor, yeah, to serve the condenser and evaporator coil. So that will be consider high efficiency. And then we go to ductless, popular for their high efficiency cooling. Ductless split system air conditioner provide quiet, unobtrusive cooling for multiple zones within a home, office, or commercial space. So we can have one optional if we serve more than uh, one room, but still consider in the one condition, uh, maybe one condition of the uh, system of compressor, do not require ducting like central air conditioner. These system have two basic parts: large condenser unit that install outdoor, and one more compact with a mountable blower unit that are placed strategically inside the space, or zone you want to cool. So actually we can design by zone or by room. Sometimes one zone will be served more than one room. When installed, insulated conduit housing the refrigeration line run from the outside condenser. You need two blower system indoor. Each wall-mounted blower system can be controlled independently to provide comfortable room cooling right where you need it. Ductless mini split system air conditioner are known for their high cooling efficiency, quiet operation, and slim profiles in your space. But I think, depend on the power. Some maybe will be until to not sure. What I saw, maybe 2 horsepower. They will have 2 horsepower, and then they also have 1 horsepower. Depend on the size of the room. Okay, one compressor we can be separate by three uh, evaporator. So mean that they have a similar setting uh, of the cooling system. Okay, as you can see, that one is how we select our type of the refrigerant system or HVAC system. And this one, how to we, sometimes they will put on the near to the floor, mean they will spray or distribute air distribution, will be come from the bottom to upper, yeah, to upper flow. Some they will design, split is on the high level, and then they will blow to the low air distribution direction. Okay, you can see how they design. So if you have type of the split is from the upper to lower airflow, so you can put to a high level of the evaporator system. Okay, this one is using duct system. This one is different. So you have designed the duct system with all instrument included inside the duct system. So they will separate the equipment in the outside of the building. So some they will like the maybe the oversea that have 4 seasons. Actually, the HVAC system they will like one equipment that to have every uh, residency. So it mean different with us. Maybe it's not important thing in the tropical system. Yeah, maybe it's like uh, premier equipment. Yeah, it's not. Sorry, secondary equipment is not premier. So compared to the overseas that have a four season, totally the HVAC design is very important because they need to survive in the winter. Yeah, so they need to develop one HVAC in their house. Yeah. Okay, this one is biggest, biggest type of the hatchback system. So you can see with the duct system, they will serve several room and maybe they will serve several zone. Yeah. So one zone maybe have one condition, and then one condition is maybe served in several room. So you can see maybe this one is other zone. So I take one example in the factory 3. Yeah, we have in the several zone. Yeah, in the F3, as you know, they have computering lab. Yeah, several computing lab actually, and then also not only computer lab, and also we have other lab like the uh, fleet, fleet, and then also hatchback lab also there in the F3. So how they will serve? They will separate by zone, and then also we F3 also provide uh, office, office zone system. So we have a different condition in because we already have several condition that separating. Then we can set based on the requirement. So for example, what we need in the uh, office, for example, my office, we need the human comfort, and then maybe need around 40% until to 60% humidity, but different in the computer lab. So they will increase the temperature. Will be reduce the temperature, but will be reduced also together with the uh, humidity. So this one will be create several zone condition. Okay, let's say the this one is served by water chilled system. Yeah, so actually water is refrigerant. So the water will be come into the chilled, and then they will blow to the room. Okay, we go to UPS or unitary package system. And this one is other type of the HVAC system that can be our optional when we design to building requirement. Yeah. Okay, similar in nature to the individual system, but serve more room or even more than one floor. Have an air system consisting of fans, coil, filter, ductworks, and outlet. For example, in small restaurants, small shop, and small cool storage room. So this one can be one optional to be selected. When we consider as restaurant, small shop, because they have sometimes more than one floor. These systems are installed with either a single self-contained factory assembled package unit or two split unit. An indoor handle normally with ductwork and an outdoor conditioning unit with refrigeration compressors and condenser. In the package system, is cooled mainly by direct expansion of refrigeration in called DX coil, and heated by gas furnace, electric heating, or heat pump effect, which is a reverse of refrigeration cycle. Reverse mean when the summer we will use reverse condition to the winter. Package system, a coolant package unit. We have several types. Water coolant package unit, water or air. So rooftop split and indoor unit. Okay, actually, if you realize, they will put the equipment in the rooftop. Yeah, they will prepare the certain building. Yeah, like the shopping complex and the small store, or we can see in the maybe restaurant. So single zone with the mean this one is constant air varied package system, mean the room will be served by only constant volume air. So maybe we cannot vary it because uh, we are already considered that room is constant to be served. Uh, for example, our office, we are already considered in constant air volume, so we cannot vary it. Yeah, based on the calculation, uh, the number of uh, occupancy, the number maybe is not more than the 5%. So we cannot consider is a lot of number. So we can be constant of air volume. Another maybe we have a certain condition is maybe peak hour will be come with a lot number of people. So maybe like a store, or restaurant we can consider at that time we can serve more air volume. So we can use VAV, variant air volume package unit system. And other one is VAV heat package system. This one is we actually in the maybe winter season they have to reheat the temperature. So what they do, they attach the coil reheat, and then they will be distribute to the zone or the room. And then fan power VAV package system. This one is we attach the fan blower during air distribution in duct system. So we will put the fan there in uh, the duct system. Okay, air cooling package unit ACPU. Yeah, we will touch this one by detail. In this package air conditioner, the condenser of the refrigerant system is cooled by the atmospheric air. So actually, the refrigerant need to the absorber to reject the heat, and then they will use the several fluid. Yeah. So in this case, they use the air cooler. So this one is like familiar with Earth, like maybe I will take example like radiator in our uh, vehicle. Like motor right now also provide the radiator, so you can see they will cooling or absorb the cooling system by the air. So they will put the outdoor, so will be rejected to the environment. And then okay, this one is one type in the air system, air cooler system. So this one is will be put in the outdoor. So you can see they will put behind or beside of the the house or the building. Some maybe they will put in the rooftop, yeah. So you can see rooftop. So now we go to other absorber type by water, yeah, water. In this package air conditioner, the condenser is cooled by the water. The condenser is a shell and a tube type, yeah. So inside of the shell or tube type, they will uh, same like the coil. They will have a tube inside the shell, yeah. The shell type is maybe you can see like the chiller system, yeah, chiller system. Yeah, they will put the coil inside one tank, yeah, and then in that tank will be have water coolant inside. And then you can see they will put the water coolant like this, yeah. They have the system of pumping of the coolant, water coolant, yeah. So they have pump, and then they will serve in the to the coil, to reject the heat. And then actually this one, yeah, in the box system, they will coolant and then absorb the heat, and then heat will be to the cooling tower, and then they reject it to the outside. This one, by using the water, water will be drain. So the outside air we will go to the uh, inside here, and then the drain system, yeah, like the rain, yeah, and then will become to cool, and then they will pump here. They collect, yeah, tank collect here on the drain pot, yeah, and then they will distribute to the again to the cooling system, absorb, yeah, to absorb the refrigerant system. Okay, this one the type will be provided by AHU system, yeah. This one AHU system handling unit, yeah, system air handling unit. They have several component inside. Yeah, they have a blower, filter, coil inside. So they have anything. This one, the X coil. And then the pump will be go to the coil. Yeah, and then will be serve the during to reduce the temperature, or rejected. Okay, this one is a damper that I said just now. We can adjust the VAV, varied air volume. So we can adjust how much, by damper. Damper will be now right now is controlled by the motor actuator, like hydraulic. Okay, you can see 3D of the AHU system. If you want to see the AHU system, you can come into a factory 3 building, and then they have several type of the AHU to serve several zone. Yeah. Okay, this one is a type of the VAV. This one is controlled by the actuator here. So the volume will be controlled, then release, how much air volume to the air duct. Okay, now we go to other last central hydronic system. Okay, basically consists of three major part: air system, air handling unit, air distribution system. So the air system will be serve the AHU, water system, chilled water, and central plant. So we have three part. The central system use chilled water or hot water from a central plant to cool and heat the air, the coil in the air handling unit. For energy transport to heat, capacity of water is about 3,400 times greater than that of air. Central system are built up, a system assembled and installed on the site. Okay, air handling unit is the basic piece of the equipment used in the air system. It can be either a field assembled, built up system or factory made unit. Because of a central system has a chilled water system, the type of coil installed in the AHU is water cooling coil, which is different from an air handle in the package system, which use a DX direct expansion coil. Yeah. Okay, chiller are key a component of air conditioning system for large building. They produce cold water to remove heat from the air in the building. Common type, this one the common type of chiller, mechanical compressor and absorption chiller. Okay, let's check. Okay, this one, yeah. Okay, this one you can see the green, like the shell type, yeah. That one is chiller. Okay, and then they will provide by one pump every chiller. So you can see the the blue one mean the pipe is water system. Yeah. Okay, you can see here another one. Yeah, the other one is uh, the hot piping system, the hot wiping piping system, and then they will go to the one chiller, yeah, to rejected the heat. Okay, aqueous chiller. Okay, this one is like the similar to this component is a cooling tower. Yeah, cooling tower. They will be put the fan, the big fan, to reject the heat. Yeah, and then the water will be through this system. The several type of the air cooling system, yeah, in the tower. They will be provided by drain system, or they will provide by the DX, yeah, DX coil system. Okay, this one. I think this one is the DX, yeah, DX coil system. Because we cannot see the collecting, drain collecting, so we don't have uh, the uh, the water collecting, mean the drain, we don't need to the drain the water, mean that they will provide by chiller system, mean the X coil system. Okay, you can see this one is the chiller system. Yeah, this pump, yeah, pump, and then they will be go to the chiller system. Air handling unit. Okay, we go to the inside of the duct system. Okay, in duct system they will provide the AH units there. The AH unit is a basic piece of equipment used in the air system. Can be either fit, assemble, build up system or factory made unit. Okay, sometimes they will design by themselves. So main they assemble the blower, they assemble the coil, they assemble the filter by their design. But some maybe already uh, already uh, one unit, they build in the market, and then they sold, yeah, they sell in the market, and consider already uh, to use, yeah, ready to use. So no more to design, just attach, yeah, inside the uh, no more to construct. I mean they're already available in the market by one unit package of AHU. Okay, what component that consists in one AHU? Yeah? Okay, AHU can be from the bottom of core of the blower, can be end of the ASU. They will attach different type, maybe from the blower they attach in the uh, starting, yeah, of the AHU. Can be the blower is attached on the end of the AHU, the blower. Yeah. So this type is starting. Yeah, starting they already put in the uh, AHU design. So they have VAV, yeah, control air volume here, and also they have the filter, and then this one is coil, yeah. I think this one is a filter, yeah. This one other type. Okay, this one the big of AHU they put in the rooftop. Okay, and then from there they will distribute to the duct, in the into the room, each room. Okay, now we go to touch about the to duct system. Okay, this one is duct. Okay, actually the duct system they will isolated by uh, loop of thermal conductivity material, like for example like the uh, fiber, uh, uh, maybe a carbon fiber, yeah, fiberglass fiber, yeah, they will put, yeah, and then they isolated by covered by aluminum foil, yeah. All right, and the layout, yeah, can see. So actually we can design by 3D software like NCs, yeah, to analysis this uh, construction, duct construction system, and then we can calculate, yeah, how much, elevation, uh, and then how much size of the duct. This one the duct. Okay, duct type actually separate by three types, of the duct, but commonly they will use the uh, rectangle shape, some by round shape, and then some by ellipse shape. Okay, now we touch about air flow. Note that air velocity doesn't represent the actual air velocity, so we can measure by actual air of. Okay, this one is how we design. Depend on the uh, requirement zone. Some maybe part is for pantry, some is for office. Yeah, so different condition. Okay, this one, when we need to design in several level. So you can see how much level in the building. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rooftop. So they will put the cooling tower in the rooftop and then the boiler on the basement. And then they will serve between uh, between this equipment by the duct. Okay, this how. Okay, just through, yeah, this one water system. Okay, remember the water system when the green one is for hot, yeah, hot system, and after the cooling in the blue one, yeah. So different color meaning different temperature. Now we touch about central handling system. This one is biggest one. So one system they will serve several building. This maybe we can see this system is like the KLCC, KLCC building. Actually, they will serve by central hydraulic system, and this technology also, I think, they implement by the Sunway City. If you go to Sunway City mean nearest to the uh, Sunway Pyramid. Sunway Pyramid is one of building Another building will be nearest to Sunway is university, and then nearest to the other building like hotel, anything, hospital. So the Sunway will be provided by central hydronic system, chilled by water, and then and so on. This one type of the how to water distribution. Okay, lot of number of the hydronic system. Okay. Okay, actually I don't want to touch much in the uh, hair draining system, but this is more complicated for you in for your level in the second year. So maybe I will touch much in the package unit, central package unit, and the split account, Okay, before I close the class, any question from you?
Doktor,
Yeah.
central hydronic system ni macam district cooling ke?
Macam apa?
District cooling.
Distrik.
Yes, district cooling.
Oh, mungkin juga lah. Mungkin juga. Sebab saya pun belum pernah dengan distrik cooling. Distrik cooling tu macam mana? Ada
Saya bagi analogi yang simple lah.
ya.
Dia supply chill water to every building.
Oh, that one hydronic. Yes, correct. So hydronic mean they are using the hydro. Hydro mean the water base. So every water base they will use a hydronic system. So kalau tadi awak kata district, maybe yes, one type of the hydronic system. So based on the name hydronic, hydronic mean the cooling system dia pakai air. Dia air.
Yes.
Chiller semua tu memang air
Yes.
ya. Okay, correct. Ada soalan lain? Okay. Meantime, maybe if you need to ask something, maybe